You're my YouTube channel family. This is your favorite person, Eva Oguna. I am here today to clarify for you where the G-spot is, what the G-spot is, and how to maneuver and find the G-spot. Okay? Before I do that, however, I will ask any person that has not subscribed yet to this YouTube channel to go and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. So every time we upload a new video, you are notified and you are able to watch it in real time and at a time that not so many people have watched. Okay? Be in there, no. Guys, this is it. The G-spot. The big what? Yeah? The big what? The big what? The G-spot. Many are times that people have even doubted if the G-spot really exists. Yeah? Because the G-spot, it's vast. It's so vast. It's not even in a particular area. But what I know is the G-spot is inside the vagina. And you have to put your finger inside, finger or fingers, one finger or two fingers, you have to put them inside your vagina and curl it like you are curling towards your stomach, towards your belly. Yeah? So you put inside and you curl up and you stroke in that motion of the come here motion. That is when you will find the G-spot. Also, another thing with the G-spot, you are not just going inside just to find where the G-spot is or to find the G-spot itself. Yeah? The female body will not just allow you to just go inside in the name of doing what? Of exploring. Yeah? The female body will not allow you. I've always said the vagina is guarded heavily. It's heavily guarded. It's a little goddess. Yeah? The kind of security it has, is very creamy and must be steamed up to be allowed to go in peace. Did you hear that? Yeah? That is why we have the difference in rape and the normal sex. How many times out there someone has attempted to rape you and for your safety, you apparently carried condoms and you negotiated with the rapist and you still called it rape? Why didn't you call it just consensual sex? In the end, you consented and you're like, okay, for my safety, I'm going to accept. Yeah? And it still doesn't feel like normal sex. It is because the vagina, the female anatomy is heavily guarded. So this is like someone that is has kidnapped the security man and is getting into where the queen is. That is why there is always pain accompanying with forced sex. Okay? Sawa sawa, watu wangu. So you must be very much able to allow an intruder, an outsider to come in just after kujua whatever the outsider wants. So the G-spot is deep inside, and for it to be found out, you have to arouse your woman first. You have the boobies. You can play around with the boobies and the body starts responding. When the body starts responding, it will show down there because they start becoming wet. Yeah? Yeah? They start becoming wet. And when she starts becoming wet, that is when you are able to slide inside with your finger and just go and find where the G-spot is. Okay, my people? Yeah? So don't just walk in and you are rough and you're looking for where the G-spot is, yet the G-spot is well guarded. Can you talk nicely to the security around the G-spot, the security surrounding the queen, the security surrounding the goddess, the beautiful goddess? Yeah, because this is something you want to go and eat and make yourself satisfied, feel good. It's like that feel good goddess. Okay, so for you to find the G-spot, first start by arousing this woman. So many times people have said, you stroke the G-spot and she will get aroused. You start turning on your woman from the outside to the inside. It is the right way to arouse a woman. You don't just go in starting to look for things that you don't know where they are located. You cannot just walk in there and you're looking for the C spot, you're looking for the O spot, you're looking for the B spot, you're looking for the A spot. Everything is there, but you are using the wrong mechanisms. Yeah, start from the outside, coming inside. I have dropped a video here on how to massage your breasts. Yeah, on how the breasts are massaged. For you men, you start arousing your woman from outside and to the inside. The inside is the vagina. Okay? But the outside, we have our boobs, we have our ears, we have our hair, we have our tongues, we have our mouths, we have everything is on the outside. God was very, very intentional akitupatia maskio, because even animals here, but they don't know how to romance their fellow animals by kuguzaguza maskio ama kubite maskio. So God was very, very intentional kupatia binadamu akili. Yeah? So that you know how to give your woman pleasure. You start by arousing your woman from outside. Start touching from outside. Your ultimate goal is to find the G-spot. Okay? Make it a game. Play it from outside, going to the inside. Sio kama football mnaanza katikati mkienda mkitapaka mkitafuta magoli huko. Yeah? This is a different kind of game. And it's a serious kind of game. That is why you find people doing what? Doing these things mahali kumejificha. So they are only concentrating on the sex. They are only concentrating on turning this person on, getting this person well aroused, well wet, well creamy, and well steamy enough to be penetratable. Okay, my people? Do you understand? So don't just come after to G-spot. Are we together, Pakapo? The G-spot is well hidden. And you must always find the G-spot. Before you find the C-spot, the G-spot, sorry, we are done with the C-spot. Before you find where the G-spot is, make sure you have very, very clean fingers. Yeah? Clean up your fingers. Make sure you have very short nails. Wacha kutuingizia makucha huko ndani. You are going to give us infections that will make the pussy sick. We don't want to make the pussy sick. Yeah? We want the pussy to be very healthy to allow you to go and find the queen, which is the G-spot. Now, this is how the G-spot, this is how the queen feels like. The queen is spongy, the queen is very, very soft, and the queen is a tough kind of stuff. Okay? So that is why it can accommodate even fingers. And you will always see this woman moaning. Those people who keep coming to my inbox telling me that I've been married for the past 13 years, I've been married for the past 15 years, and my woman has never moaned. Find the G-spot. Yeah? Know how to find the G-spot. Okay? Something else. Someone has told me about because the wife doesn't have, I don't know what, the clit imekatwa, they have gone through the knife, the FGM thing. Yeah? That this woman cannot be aroused. Now, today, I'm gonna tell you they can be aroused. Yeah, it's only because this man knows how to play with the clitoris and they feel that the clitoris they should play with is no longer there. But the real thing is, you can always find other spots. We are blessed. Women are blessed. We have so many spots within. Yeah, in the female anatomy, we have millions of spots. We have every part of it being very sensitive. Yeah, but we are just pointing out a few. So when the clit is removed, the G-spot is not removed. Yeah, just work hard. Don't be lazy. Go and find out where the G-spot is and your woman will be aroused. So like I said on another video, we are going to start what we call the pussy massage. I'm gonna be your pussy masseuse plug, your favorite pussy masseuse plug. Tunaitangaje? Plug. Sio flag? Yeah. I'm going to be your favorite pussy masseuse plug. Yeah? So send your people to me. Send your people to me. Send your people to me. Those who need the pussy massage for a stronger, supple, smooth, nice, healthy massage of the pussy. Okay? Yeah? We must be girls with a loving pussy. Okay? Sini hivyo wapendwa. Until my next time. Have a good night. Be blessed. Mubarikiwe. And Bwana asifiwe, by the way.